Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. Today, I am here at SeaWorld Orlando. It looks to be pretty empty today, so I hope that's true, at least for the parking lot and walking in. So hopefully we can ride a ton of roller coasters today, give you guys any kind of park updates, and just have a fun day. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. Walking in, it doesn't seem too busy just yet. It is a Monday afternoon. Looks like Manta is a 30-minute wait, which this is the first roller coaster that people will see walking in. So I'm gonna hit this one on the way out, and hopefully that wait time goes down just a little as we see Manta. At this time, which happens to be the beginning of this year, there's currently no food festivals here at SeaWorld. Our first coaster for today here at Mako, it is currently a 45-minute wait. I don't think it is, but let's time it. I have switched over to the GoPro. It definitely was not a 45-minute wait because look how close I am to getting onto the ride. SeaWorld is still cleaning the ride vehicles every hour, but just like every other theme park here in Central Florida, they're now seating every row. And here we go. Enjoy the ride. That was awesome! It took me the total time of 11 minutes and 22 seconds to get in line, wait for the vehicles to be cleaned, ride the coaster, and get off. Not bad at all. You gotta love Mako. It is such a fast, smooth coaster. It is definitely in my top 5 coasters here in Central Florida. Here's a really big tip for you guys if you plan on coming here to SeaWorld. I always bring a fanny pack when I come to SeaWorld or Busch Gardens because they will allow you to bring your fanny pack onto the ride. That way you don't have to spend, I believe it's $8 for an all-day locker rental. So you can bring this on the ride. I have my GoPro in here, and then when I switch over to the GoPro, I will actually put my Sony ZV-1 with the mic in here. Also has my wallet, my keys, all that fun stuff. So hopefully this will help some of you out. Around the park, you can still find plenty of relaxation zones where you can come chill out, remove your face covering. You can find plenty of hand sanitizer. This one actually has a charging station with a USB port, just in case you need a charge, and it is a Wi-Fi zone, so you can connect. Infinity Falls is currently a 55-minute wait, and I do believe that because the line is a little long. I do want to mention it is 81 degrees today. So it is pretty warm outside because it's been pretty cold here lately in Florida. However, I still don't want to get wet. I am now heading inside Sesame Street land. Well, hello there, Cookie Monster. That cookie sure does look delicious, but it looks like he did not get the message here. But that's okay, Cookie Monster. Hopefully, life will be back to normal pretty soon. You can still meet Big Bird here. You still can't get too close. Let's see if this still works. Nope, nothing. The splash pad is fully open for your little ones. There is still a little bit of a line because they are still limiting capacity inside. Right outside of Wild Arctic, which is like a motion simulator ride. And then you have Icebreaker right here, which I will get a little closer next. But SeaWorld has a brand new bar called the Glacier Bar. Here's a quick look at the menu here at the Glacier Bar. That frozen Jack and Coke sounds really good, and you can get a bite to eat here. And here we are at Icebreaker, and this is SeaWorld's newest roller coaster. We still do not have an opening date, but as you can hear, they're back there working hard. It looks really fun. It doesn't seem too intense because this will be a family style coaster. This will be the highest part of Icebreaker. Looks like you will come up and then come back down. Looks like they have installed these safety nets, so that is a really good sign. Here's one more look at Icebreaker. It doesn't seem to be like a very long coaster, but it does look pretty fun. I mean, it should open at some point this year, I would think. I will say, SeaWorld Orlando has a very beautiful park, and it so happens to be very quiet this afternoon. Let's go try to see some killer whales up close. Oh wow, look at this. I am pretty close to a killer whale right now. He's just up there hanging out, chilling. Looks like he may be playing with a type of ball or something right now. Trula, that's his name. Beautiful creatures, look at that. I've been here for about an hour and 20-ish minutes, and I will say, I have not seen one person not wearing their face covering the correct way. That is a big difference from when I was here. Oh, Mako just went by. That is a big difference from when I was last here when SeaWorld reopened. I did not enjoy that visit at all. That video has a good amount of views, but it looks like SeaWorld did fix a few things. Now, I know it is during the week. Weekends could be a little more different, but for right now, good job, SeaWorld. Very good job. I do quickly want to show you guys how the lockers work here at SeaWorld. So for an all-day locker, and you can change locker stations throughout the park, you're looking at $8 per day, and you just come to these little kiosks, put in your information, and then you have a locker. And here are the sizes of the lockers here. Look at that giant stingray. You can pay to feed the seals, but you guys know me. Every time I come to SeaWorld, I have to come say hello, and all the birds that want to steal their food. Oh my goodness. They're going crazy for some food right now. It's very entertaining over here. It is very cold in here. I wanted to come in here and say hello to the penguins. Looks like they're just all hanging out chilling. Back to when I was talking about the lockers, I just found out you can rent another option for an all-day locker, $20, but look how massive. I keep saying massive today. Look how big these lockers are. So if you have a big family, keep that in mind. Looks like Journey to Atlantis is closed due to the yearly refurbishment this attraction has to go through. Fun fact, I've never rode this version of Journey to Atlantis. I've rode it at SeaWorld San Antonio. One day, maybe this summer, I'll have a ride. Instead, let's go have a ride on Kraken. It's only a 10-minute wait. Here we go. I waited almost 20 minutes to ride this. Here we go. This ride is intense. I just got off Kraken. It was pretty fun. This used to be a VR coaster where you would put on a VR headset. It made this roller coaster even more intense than what it already is. I will say it may need a refurbishment coming up because it's a very rough and rocky ride. Like, I'm a little dizzy and like my shoulders hurt from the bars that come down. But other than that, it was very fun. For my last coaster for today, I'm back at Manta because it is now a 10-minute wait. What did I tell you? Patience is sometimes key. Whoa. So many stingrays and sharks. It was a straight walk on. And here we go. Goodness, I forgot how intense Manta is. It's crazy because you ride this ride like you're flying like Superman. What the heck? The Dippin' Dot stand is closed. I really wanted banana split Dippin' Dots. Check out these Caribbean flamingos. Oh, he's looking at me. Is that PC Dev? Hey, I don't have any food, but I'm here. They are beautiful. If you need to rent any kind of stroller or wheelchair while you're here at SeaWorld, they have you covered. I just found this out, but at the front by guest relations here, they have a quiet room. So if you need to nurse or just need some quiet time, they have you covered here. I'm now inside one of the main gift shops right as you enter the park. I found some brand new 2021 merch. Here's some t-shirts, a sweater, a shot glass, coffee mug, Christmas ornaments, water bottles. Over here you have some bags, a fanny pack, snow globes, photo frame, and then check this out. I had no idea they partnered up with Under Armour and they have some exclusive SeaWorld merch. The shirt is $39.99. The polo, $69.99. They have some hats. I like it. Also, before I forget, I am trying out a brand new face covering. It is from Lululemon. I like it so far because it has double straps. It does not pull on my ear. So far, I really like it. All right, my friends, that is going to do it here from SeaWorld Orlando. It was a very fun day. It was pretty empty. I rode everything I wanted to ride as far as coasters. Now, it was during the week, and right now it's just slow season, which is to be expected, but I'm pretty sure on the weekends, the crowds, they pick up again. That's at all of the Central Florida theme parks. As far as mask enforcement here at SeaWorld, I'm still not seeing team members out and about telling people to put on their face coverings and making sure people are wearing them like over at Disney and Universal. So I would say SeaWorld needs to get a little bit better at that, but I really did not see any, well, I'm saying that and I see a family not wearing face coverings at all right now. But other than that, today I barely saw anybody not wearing a face covering when they were supposed to. So that's a good sign. Lastly, I know a lot of you have been telling me, Dev, you need to go check out Discovery Cove, and that is the plan, hopefully next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because we do this quite often, and make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always, That way you will always be notified when I release a new video or even go live. Also, make sure you're following along on Instagram. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me